BBQ prawns with mango mayonnaise. First up, marinate the prawns. Place them in a bowl and add olive oil, chilli if you're using it, lemongrass, ginger and coriander. Combine, then set aside for 15 minutes to develop the flavours. For the mango mayonnaise, place mango in a food processor, add chilli if you're using it, mustard, egg yolk and lemongrass. Process until smooth and well combined. Gradually add oil, processing until thick and smooth. Add lime juice and process to combine. Season with salt and pepper. Heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium-high. Cook the prawns for 1 to 2 minutes each side. They're cooked when the tails curl up and the prawns change colour. Arrange the prawns on a serving platter. Top with mango, coriander and lime wedges. Serve with the mango mayonnaise. This simple barbecue dish makes a perfect seafood share plate for summer entertaining outdoors. For more entertaining ideas, head to our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe